We were raised on signals shaped by the feed, told what to love, told what to need. Passion filtered, trimmed to size, sold back truth in a cheaper disguise. We shout choice, but we walk in line. Custom-made cages, same design. I feel the fire, but it's not mine. Someone else wrote the punchline. Hands in the air, but strings on the wrist. Don't know what we lost till it don't exist. I'm not anti-love, I'm anti-lie. Just asking why the real thing dies when we scroll through grief like it's theatre. Swipe past pain, call it deeper. Every outrage neatly framed, pre-approved and pre-named. We don't burn, we simulate. Algorithm decides our fate. Feed the flame but keep it tame. Different faces, same old game. I see the pulse behind the glass. How long we think this spell will last. Every rebel branded fast, every question fading past. We say wake up, then hit repeat. March in rhythm to the same old beat. Hearts on fire, hands asleep. Passion loud but running cheap.